In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple images in Canva. Let's dive into this creative process, making it easy and enjoyable for you to blend several images within your design compositions. Before we start, ensure you have an active Canva account and are already logged in. You might also want to have a set of images ready for uploading, should you need them. First, navigate to the Canva homepage. Once there, locate and click on the Elements section on the left sidebar of your design interface. This section is a treasure house of creative tools, offering everything from shapes to graphics that can truly enhance your design. Once you're in the Elements section, search for Frames. Now, click on Frame. Frames are dynamic placeholders that allow you to add an image or even a video into a variety of shapes. These are particularly useful for maintaining uniformity while experimenting with multiple visual elements in a single design. Next, you'll want to click on See All to view the full collection of available frames. This action will unveil a diverse array of frames, tailor-made for different aesthetic intentions. Once you've browsed through the frames, select a template that appeals to you. Make sure it contains multiple frames. This choice will serve as the canvas on which you'll overlay your images. The right template can make all the difference in simplifying your design journey, especially if you want to create something polished with a professional touch. Now that you've got your template set, locate the Uploads option on the sidebar, click on Uploads, and from here you'll access all your previously uploaded media or add new images by clicking on the Upload Media button. You can source images from your computer or directly from platforms like Facebook or Google Photos. This flexibility ensures you can seamlessly pull in any image assets you need into your design project. Finally, it's time to drag and drop your chosen images directly into the frames. Simply click, hold, and drag the image over to the frame, releasing it when you see it highlighted. This intuitive process quickly and effortlessly places your image neatly within its bounds. Experiment with various images to find the perfect fit and to get a visual composition that truly pops. And there you have it, you've successfully added multiple images to your Canva design using frames. Don't forget to explore Canva's array of editing tools to fine-tune images, add filters or adjust colors to match your project's theme precisely. This approach not only saves time but also enhances creativity, providing a professional edge to your designs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy designing!